So we need to find the critical points of this equation, and to do so we first take the derivative. So 9x3, 9 times 3 is 27, subtract 1 from the exponent, and that's going to give us x squared. And then the derivative of negative 4x is just negative 4. So that part's pretty easy. Notice there are no restrictions to the domain since all of the numbers that we can't have an undefined term here. So next we just set this equal to 0 and solve. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. That's going to give us 27x squared equals 4. Divide both sides by 27. And that will give us x squared equals 4 over 27. And here's the quote-unquote the tricky part. You just have to remember that when we take the square root, we're going to have two answers to this. We have a positive version of the square root of 4 over 27. And we also have a negative square root of 4 over 27. And I do not believe it's going to require you to rationalize this, but in case you want to, we would have the square root of 4 over the square root of 27. The square root of 4 is 2. And from here we multiply the top and bottom by the square root of 27. And that would be 2 times the square root of 27 over a normal 27 without the square root, because the square root of 27 times the square root of 27 is 27. And if we want to break this down even further, square root of 27 is the same thing as the square root of 9 times the square root of 3. We can take the square root of 9, which is a normal 3, so we're going to have 3 square root of 3. And then 2 times this 3 here will give us 6. So we're going to have 6 square root of 3 over 27 as our answer. Make sure you also, if you write it like this, make the other one a negative of 6 square root of 3 over 27 as your other answer.